Hello, uh, this is a video to my fix fitting fix work. I super glued that straight fitting down there. It's super glued, so does it work? Well, there's a paper towel down there, and if we have a big leak coming in 24 hours, let's say, then this super gluing just didn't work. And the pump is going to be very, very noisy because just look at that amount of air inside the tubing. That's a lot. So let's turn it on. And here we go. Yeah, there is a lot of micro bubbles, so it doesn't look very clear. The pump creates those micro bubbles inside the tubing. It's not dirty water, it's clean water, but there's a lot of those micro bubbles thanks to the big air bubble inside the hose. So I think I will let you guys know, can you super glue down the broken down fittings? If you cannot, then back to the square one, searching for new fitting. Asetek doesn't sell you new ones. They have no intention at this moment to do so. Antec doesn't sell them because they buy these units from Asetek. And actually nobody sells them. And I have no idea who makes these fittings for Asetek. Is the Asetek the company that makes them, or do they just use someone else work? I don't know. But just have to find out which fitting you can put in there. So 24 hours it will be.